So when I talk about removing inaccurate and negative accounts from your credit reports, I'm talking about on your credit reports, you have accounts that's not reporting correctly. Like if you look on all three credit bureaus, you'll see different things in terms of the date open is different on all three credit bureaus. The payment history is different. And I'm talking about TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian can have the same account, but they're reporting a different date open on each credit bureau, or each credit bureau is reporting a different high balance, the most you ever owed on that account, or a different payment history. When you see those different things, you can get that account removed from your credit reports and deleted from your credit reports, which can actually boost your credit score. But that's what I'm talking about when I say inaccurate and um, negative accounts that's on your credit reports. Now, I think I can show you now that I'm thinking about it. Let me actually, because I have my first membership class. Yeah, so let me see. So like an account like this, these are some student loans I was able to get removed from some of my clients' credit reports. That's just because maybe their payment history was wrong. Their account numbers sometimes are wrong. Maybe there were duplicate accounts, and I was able to get all of them deleted. The payment history, the day open, the high balance, those are different reasons why these accounts can be removed. You can also see too that public records where it's kind of blank right up under the 129-point increase. That's a bankruptcy getting removed from credit reports. You can get that removed. Missed payments. Also, if you guys were to have like some student loans, you'll see a lot of student loans here. Inquiries, you can get inquiries removed. And I usually just say inaccurate or incomplete because when an account is inaccurate and incomplete, that's the reason why the account should be deleted from your credit report. So I try to reference that because that is the reason why. If the account is reporting correctly, you technically and legally not supposed to have that account um, removed from your credit reports. But, to each their own, they do what they want to do. But yeah, that's kind of